Hiya, today what I've been doing, and tonight is now just gone 6:30. All I've been doing is cleaning up the hives and giving them a good paint, as you can see. So we've got the super, we've got the floor, and we've got the blue box here. Got another floor, another super, and over here we've got neat boxes, poly ones. So this one was actually pink. Do you ever colour that? Was disgusting. I hate pink. I hate this. Ooh, no. Detest pink. I really do. I hate it. So anyway, I painted it up green to match all my other eyes up, and it had blue spots as well. Anyway, thought I'd do another chat tonight. So that's these are nationals, so that's the normal size. But this is a this one is no, hang on a minute, I got this wrong. It's opposite. That's the natural frames go in here, and these are commercial frames go in this one because it's from there to there. That's the feeder. From that point, this blue box going right down here, and this bit here on the next one is the blue box, the feeder. Yeah, that's the feeder. If I go out a bit, then you can see. Alright, hope you enjoy this video. Bailey. It's not always mowers, I'm always fixing for a hobby. I also do this for a hobby as well. So it's something for a change. So you will see more videos on bees in the summer. And I got this clean extruder to give a good clean. Get all the wax off and stuff. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.